A very good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss computer section question sample paper 3 pattern you know very well. So let's start with question part directly. Firstly, we are discussing about part A. Part A contains 13 questions. You have to attempt 10 out of 13 questions. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is the use of 4G mobile technology? 4G, the full form of 4G is your fourth generation. In a telecommunication network, 4G is the fourth generation of mobile phone communication standard, and 4G system provides mobile ultra broadband internet access. And basically 4G technology is used to take the services of video calls or fast data transmission over a communication channel. Question number 2. Abhishek is an employee of ABC company. He needs some transaction and banking issue, but he has no time to go bank for this work. His friend suggests him to use e-banking. What is e-banking? So the question is, what is e-banking? E-banking, the full form of e-banking is electronic banking. It is defined as a automated delivery of new and traditional banking products and services that is directly in contact with the customers through an electronic medium, and it is an interactive communication channel. It will save time also, and the major thing, it is a paperless communication. You need not any paper to writing any content, and you can take 24/7 services in case of e-banking. You can transfer money to others, you can use your ATM card, you can pay money, you can pay fund to third party also. So all such transactions are performed with the help of e-banking. Question number 3. What are the control of intellectual property right? If question will come IPR, then it is also intellectual property right. And these are the control of intellectual property right. Very first thing, it avoid the joint ownership between a transaction. Second thing, it will get the exact match domain. Whatsoever you are searching, it will search for a particular domain. That is the major control of intellectual property right. It means whatsoever you have claimed that it is your property, that will search the particular property for you. It is the exact match domain for a particular user. Question number 4. Dash attribute of body tag helps to set background color. In body tag, we are using multiple attributes, but for the background color, the attribute is BG color. And we can give value in BG color in the form of color name like red, green, blue, or we can use the color code also. Question number 5. The unordered list start with dash tag. The unordered list start with UL tag. And if question will come, the bulleted list start with dash tag, the answer will be same, that is UL tag. Using the dash type URL, you can create the email hyperlink, and hyperlinking of email can be performed with the help of mail to attribute in URL. Mail to will take the address of person who will get the mail. Question number 7. The dash attribute is used to provide information about a table. If we want to know the information about a particular table, for that the attribute that is used, that is a summary attribute. It is little bit different question, that is not the part of your book, so please note it down. The important attribute that will provide all the information regarding the table, that is known as summary attribute. Question number 8. Dash allows only a single selection at a time. In checkbox, that allows only a single selection at a time. The answer is, this is wrong. The answer is radio button. Checkbox is wrong answer, so you can make it correct. Radio button allows the user to single selection at one time, while checkbox allowed multiple transaction in one time. So the answer for multiple transaction is checkbox, but for single transaction it is radio button. This answer is wrong. Question number 9. Mr. Lal owns a factory which manufactures automobile spare parts. Suggest him the advantage of having a web page for his factory. and the web page that provide all overall the information to the client about his factory of a spare part. Moreover, he can receive the order on internet from the clients using the web page, and he can present their product in an interactive way in the front of users, in the front of clients, by showing the interactive pictures, by showing interactive videos also. Question number 10. Ria got an assignment in which an HTML statement was written like OL start equal to 4 and type equal to A. But she is not understanding the use of start attribute with OL tag. Help her to know about it. Very first thing, OL is the ordered list, and ordered list can contain the attribute in a ordered manner, and ordered list can support 5 types of attribute, like it should be numeric, it should be Roman, it should be caps Roman, it should be small alphabet, it should be capital alphabets. But here the attribute start will present, the value will be start with numeric 4. So start attribute of OL tag is used to change the beginning value of any ordered list from where it will get start. Like here it is written start equal to 4. It is the fourth value, but type is A, so that it will start with A, B, C, D. Fourth value is D, it will start with ordered list D. So first ordered list number will be D. Question number 11. What is a license agreement that gives an organization permission to use a software program? And the license program that give permission or agreement to a user, that is known as software license. If we are discussing about free license, or we can speak that open license, that is known as open source software. Question number 12. Which attribute tells how many rows a cell should span? Row span attribute will tell how many number of rows we are spanning in a one cell. So row span equal to n will present the number of rows that will be spanned together. Question number 13. Which option provides a way for the user to securely enter password in HTML form? And the input element of type password. Input element of type password means input type will be equal to password. If we will enter the value in the form of input type equal to password, it will accept the value in a steric form. It will take the value in the form of stars. Whatsoever you're typing, it will display stars in front of your screen. It will not display that value like 1, 2, 3 or ABC. So the password attribute of input tag will provide the functionality for securely enter a password. Let's move to the section 2, that is of part 1, part A also, and in this section we will discuss about case study. 2 case studies are given. You have to attempt 5 questions out of 7 out of each case study, and both case studies are compulsory. So we will directly move to the question part. First case study is related to the search engine. So we'll start with case study question number 1. A search engine is a program to search. Options are for information, web pages for specified index term, or web pages for information using specified search item. And the answer is web pages for the information that are using the specified search item, that are directly matching with the searching element. Question number 2. A software that searches through a database of web pages for particular information is known as domain, modem, email client, or search engine. And the software that will search, that is known as a search engine. Which software browser browse the internet in a systematic manner? Web crawler, web browser, indexing software, or search algorithm? And web crawler is a software that will browse the internet in a systematic manner. If we will discuss about the working of search engine, 3 steps are there. First one is crawling, indexing, and sorting. So crawler is a software that will browse the internet in a systematic manner. Which of the following is a search engine? Google, AltaVista, Yahoo, or all of these? All of these are the search engine that will help the user to search a particular topic or your content. The words typed in a search box are called keywords, hit words, search words, or all of these. These are known as keywords that are searched in a search box. A list of websites that contains the information are known as MIS, hit, success, or Yahoo. It is known as hits. Hits means you found the information with the related content, and miss means you have not find any web page that is related to your search. So miss is that is not find, and hit is that contains the information that you are searching, or that you are searching the particular website. And last question of case study 1: which search engine is also known as spider or web scutter, etc.? So Google, Yahoo, web crawler, or Hotbot. Web crawler is the accurate option that is also known as a spider search engine. Now case study second, that is related to HTML forms. Directly we are moving to the question answer part. The full form of HTTP is, the options are a hypertext transfer protocol, hypertransmission text protocol, hypertext transmission protocol, or hypertext temporary protocol. And the exact answer is hypertext transfer protocol. Question number second: dash on a web page allows a user to enter data. Options are form, client, server, or none of these. On web page, a form will allow a user to enter their data. With the help of form, a user can input data in a website. Question number 3: form tag is a container tag, empty tag, both, or none of these. Form tag is a container tag. You need to open the form tag also, and you need to close the form tag also. If you will not get it closed, it will not properly show the output on your screen. Question number 4: the full form of URL is universal resource locator, uniform resource locator, universal region locator, uniform region locator. And the exact answer is uniform resource locator. That is provide the unique address of a website or web page. Question number 5: which method is used to send the information to the server? Post, set, get, form. Get method is to send the information, while post method is to receive the information. Which of the following is a value of method form tag? Not a value form tag. Get, post, form, or action. In form tag, get is also there, post is also there, form is also there, but action is not a value. Action is a attribute of form tag. Question number 7: which of the following is the tag in the form? Input, select, option, all of these. All of these are tags that are related to the form. Input tag is like to input, you can say button, checkbox, radio button. Select button is for your drop down list, and option button is for your values that will be entered for a drop down list. Now move to part B, that is of 30 marks. Part A was of 20 marks. Question number 16: Saurav create a website to advertise his business. He chooses an ISP to host his website. Question number 1: state what Saurav should have on home page to help users navigate his website. The major thing that is required to move to the particular website, that is known as hyperlinking, or hyperlink is required to move on a to help to the user of website to navigate to the website. That is also known as linking. And second question: state what ISP means. ISP, the full form is internet service provider, that will provide the services to access the information on internet. It refers to a company that provide internet connection to the users. What is dial-up connection? Explain. Dial-up connection, it's a temporary connection that is set up between our computer and server. And dial-up connection uses the telephone line, that is also known as PSTN. PSTN full form is Public Switched Telephone Network. And it is the older technology that was used when your broadband technology was not in market. And the modem to connect to the internet is used. And the modem connects the computer through the standard phone lines, which serves as a data transfer medium. And when a user initiates a dial-up connection, user need to enter password and specify the username. And what the modem will do? Modem will dial up a phone number of your internet service provider, and that is designated to receive dial up calls. So the ISP then establishes the connection, which usually take about 10 to 15 seconds, and it is accomplished by several beeping and buzzing sound. In between, when it will be get connected, you will get the beep sound also. And after final communication, you will get a message, you are connected with your internet, and speed is also mentioned there. What are the advantages of freedom of information? That is known as also FOI. Freedom of information name suggests that in which a user is free to publish the information. So some advantages are there, or it is also known as RTI, right to inform. Control the corruption is the major advantage of freedom of information. A user will be controlled their corruptions. Like when a person asks for the services, then it is necessary that respective officer will give the response to the person uh, in a requested period time bound. So there will be chance to control the corruption in a official department. If any person want to know the information about a particular department, about a particular person, he can easily get the information within a particular time bound. So it will reduce the corruption in an official manner. Second thing, empowerment of common people. With the RTI Act, common people can ask questions regarding the work status of their complaints. So they have the right to know about the information which is related to them. They can briefly or in a detailed manner find out the information of a person. They can apply online, and within a time bound, a officer need to be provide the information to a particular client that is required the information. Explain the software license. That is a software agreement. A software license is a license agreement that gives an individual, company, or organization, and that will get permission to use a software program. And it typically provides end user with the right to one or more copies of software without violating copyright. And the license also defines the responsibility of parties entering into the license agreement and may impose restriction on how the software can be used. Next thing, explain the given command. Ahref equal to wild.html. Click here for wild animal A. What is A? A is a anchor tag. So in this command, anchor tag and href presents hyper reference, and its href attribute is included that will directly move to the cursor or navigate the cursor on the next part. So the text will be will appear, underline and indicate the click, the text activities, the hyperlink, and the address of reference document can be specified by absolute or relative URL. So wild.html is an URL or web page address, and click here for wild animal is the hyperlink text, in which when the user will click on that particular link, the page will be open, that is wild.html, that will appear on your screen. Now it is a internal choice question. Describe the use of alt attribute with an image tag. Image tag contains generally two types of attributes that are generally used: source and alternate. Source tag is to find out the location from where information is accessed or image will be uploaded, while the attribute tag, that is alt is used known as a alternate text. If image is not visible due to some technical reason, in that case the value that is present in alt tag will be displayed on your screen. So the alt attribute is used to define alternate text for an image. It tells the website visitor what he or she is missing on the page if the browser cannot upload the images, and the browser will then display the alternate text instead of the image. And it is good to include alt attribute for each image on a page to improve the appearance and usefulness of the document. Question number 21. Explain the attribute of body tag. Body contains multiple attributes. Some of we are discussing here, like background, text, bg color, a link, v link. Background color is to specify the background image for a document, and BG color is to specify the background color of a document. Now one more thing, out of BG color and background only one will be accessible at one time. In background image will be selected for background, in BG color will be selected. Either BG color will work, either background color will work. By default the attribute that will work, that is BG color. Priority will be for BG color. And text attribute, it will specify the color of text in a document, of which color it will be displayed. And link attribute, to create a hyperlink for a text, it will set the color of hyperlink, how, which color it will be displayed, and by default the color of link is blue. And a link is your active link attribute. It specifies the color of link that is active on the same time in a document, and the default color of an active link is red. And vlink, the attribute specify the color of visited link where a user has already clicked in a document, and the default color of vlink attribute is purple. And it's a most important question, just note it down. The by default color of link tag is, link attribute is blue, by default color of a link is red, and by default color of vlink is purple. It's a most important question, it can be in 1 mark also. Question number 22. Write the HTML code to create the exact table which is given below. Now read this table very carefully. The first row of table contains the table headings, and second row contains the table data. These two things are clear. Second thing, total rows are 2 and total columns are 4. So let's start with table tag now. HTML body and table border, we can take any value, that is we are taking 3. Now tr alignment equal to center. First row every value is given in center, so we'll take table alignment equal to center, and vertical align equal to middle. V line is vertical, alignment is, it is middle. And now first row is related to the heading, so we will take the table heading th. In first heading we will write admission number, and then we will close it. In second heading we will write serial number, student name. In third heading we will write name, and fourth heading we will write the date of birth. These all are the table headings. Afterward first row will be get complete with a container tag. Now second row, it is table alignment equal to left. All data is printed in the left side, so we will take alignment equal to left and v line equal to middle. And data is, first data is 110010, second is Manjeet, third is Ranjit, and fourth one is date of birth that is given. Afterward second row is get complete. Afterward table tag is completed, body tag is completed, and HTML tag is completed. Now one question we can ask here, how many container tags are used in this complete program? So total container tags that are used, first one is tr, second table, third body, and fourth is HTML. 4 tags are used that are container tag in this program. Question number 23. How do following term barrier to the digital divide? What is divide? Digital divide, dividing the person according to the requirement. The following term barriers to the digital divide, like high cost, language, or technology. Higher cost, due to the higher cost of internet connection and modern technology, most of the people developing country unable to use computer and internet connection. Language barrier, today a large percentage of information content on the internet is available in English, and which is also known as a barrier for people, because primary language is not the part of English, it's a Hindi language in India. And third one is technology barrier. People who live in village can't understand how to touch the modern technology, how to use the modern technology, so it is also a barrier of the digital divide. Question number 24. What type of e-commerce applies to businesses buying from and selling to each other the internet? B2B, it is also known as B2B, applies to the business buying from and selling to each other over the internet. Online access of data, including expected shipping date, delivery date, shipping status, providing either by seller or by third party provider, is widely supported by B2B models. While we are discussing about in e-commerce, So in that case, we can discuss about B2B or B2C services. But here business transaction is going on, so we will discuss about B2B communication. It describes truncation between businesses, such as business between a manufacturer or and a wholesaler, or between a wholesaler and a retailer. All are business entities. Question number 25. What is the use of e-governance? E-governance is the integration of information and communication technology in all processes with the aim of enhancing government ability to address the need of general public. And the basic purpose of e-governance is to simplify process for all person like government, citizen, business, etc. at national level, state level or local level. So through e-governance, the government plans to raise the coverage and quality of information and services that is provided to the general public. With the help of ICT, it is very easy to access, it is also economical and it is also cost effective. It is a internal choice question. So internal choice question is define the following web browser: Safari, Google Chrome and Opera. Safari, it is a web browser that is developed by Apple Incorporation. It's a product of Apple and included in Mac OS. And it was first released as a public beta in 2013. And Safari provides good support for a latest technologies like XHTML, CSS. Google Chrome. This web browser was developed by Google and its beta and commercial version was released in September 2008. And Opera, it is smaller and faster than more other browser, yet it is a funny feature. It is the most popular mobile web browser. So the next question is of 5 marks. Question number 26. Write the code to generate the following web pages. The web page view is displayed on your screen. We will read the key points that we have to follow. Following points will be generated in the web pages. First thing, title of page is iPod Touch. Font face of heading should be Arial. Image used in the page is the file name is ipod1.jpg stored in the same directory. And text color of main heading should be blue. Link color of page should be red. And table border is 3 pixels and border color is green. And use linkage for select color as sc1.html and for advanced feature as sc2.html. For client query it is sc3.html and email id for bottom message it is apple ipod@xyz.com. So we have to follow these instructions. First instruction is title. Title we will write in title tag. So we will start with code. Title we have given title iPod Touch. Afterward title tag closed and heading tag also get closed. After heading tag, the next tag is body tag. In body tag, firstly we will set the font face that is already given, that is Arial and color is blue. Now H1 heading 1 tag, heading 1 alignment is center and heading 1 is iPod Touch. iPod Touch. See here in the content in the web page, heading is iPod Touch. Now after heading, what we will do, we will close that particular font and we will write the content that is given. After content, some line break is also given, one line break, and we will write the complete content. Afterward we will move to the next part, that is image. Image we will include, that is already given, iPod 1 JPG. Alignment is right side. Width and height that is taken 200 by 200. We will see the image here. It is on right side. This is the image that is inserted in the web page. Width and height is 200 by 200 and image name that we have taken, that is image source, that is iPod1.jpg. Alignment is right side. Afterward we have created an order list. An order list, in list 1 attribute is anchor tag, it is hyperreference, this is sc1.html. Select color. When it will click on option select color, it will open the page sc1.html. In list 2 it will open the link advanced feature, it will open the page sc2.html. And when we click on client query, it will open the page sc3.html. Afterward an order list get completes. Next part is table we have created. Table border is already given, that is 3 pixel, alignment is center and border color is green. And table caption, that is given iPod technical specification and caption color is red. And in table first row is, that is table data, first data of table is color, and column span, 3 columns are spanned together, so value is column span is 3. Afterward an order list gets start. In an order list it is written first element white, second black, third is red. Afterward an order list get complete, table data get complete, and afterward table row get complete. And now second row it is TD capacity, TD 8 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB. Afterward second row get complete, table tag get complete, and for the bottom we need to give the email ID. For email ID we have taken ahref, that is already given your problem, appleipod@xyz.com, and for that we have made the link, that is for more detail. When user will click on for more detail, it will move to that particular mail ID. Afterward it is a internal choice question. So internal choice questions is also given, that is 5 sub questions are given, like name the attribute for changing numbering type of your list tag. For changing the numbering type we'll use the type tag, and numbering can be changed generally in ordered and unordered list, like it can be alphabetic, numeric or Roman also. And name the element to give heading in a table column. To give the heading we will use the ts tag. And write the syntax to display password. For password we need the input tag, so we will make a form. In form we have taken password as a general data, and for input the password we have taken the type, that is input type equal to password, and the name equal to password and value equal to password. So 3 attributes we have used for input tag. First one is type, second attribute is name, and third attribute is value. And afterward form get complete. Password you can enter on in a form. Next question, what is table? Basically table is a combination of rows and columns. So table are made up of rows and columns. In HTML, tables are used to display tabular data in a web pages. And last question of this sample paper, that is write the tags used in definition list. In definition list we can use the tag DL, DT and DD. DL means definition list, DT presents data term, and DD presents data definition. So this is all about your sample question paper 3. If you are facing any problem in any question paper in sample paper, you can get me, contact my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number, that is 999118890, or you can personally call to me also. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet in next session with next sample paper. Thank you.